Welcome to the Product Development Training Program. Myself, Najeeb Bin Haneef. I'm the founder and CEO of Zara Biotech companies. 2 years back, we started this educational platform to support students who are to develop their own products. So this is a program we guarantee, it's not like a certification program. It's a program where we guarantee, end of the program, you will have your own product because these products are developed based on your idea. So this is a 60 days product development fellowship program, idea to real formulated packaged product. So we support students who are doing the life science, mainly good R&D, looking forward a good R&D career, and also who are looking forward to develop their own startup ecosystem. So the pulse of the industry, what industry really require from the academia to these industry manner. So we will support that development aspects. So this program is initiated in India as well as UAE. So about Zara Biotech, just give a small introduction about. So we started in 2016. We started from the college. So currently we are operating in India, UAE as well as in Malaysia. So we have four companies. We work in microalgae. So we have a cookie manufacturing company, which is a meal replacement products. Specifically, we manufacture for the defense nutrition, and one or two cookies replace your one-time meal. And we support on flight catering, rigs and refineries. So based on the the consumer requirement, the market requirement, we develop such products. And the brand name is called B Light. We have manufacturing facility in Kochi in Kerala as well as in UAE. And we also have a architecture company. It is integrated with the algae technology. You see a lot of reels and lot of things and liquid trees and everything. So we started in 2023 and launched in COP28. So this is an architecture company integrated to algae biotechnology. And third will be the carbon farming. That means algae massive culturing of algae and utilization of the value-added products. So we are the company working on the circular economy model, and we have another company called Poultry. So we manufacture poultry feed with high antioxidant chicken as well as the egg will be high omega 3. So these are the our portfolio. So we started in 20 regarding this product school supporting students who are doing pursuing any life science. They want to develop their own products and they will get a exact R&D career, R&D oriented investments. This is like an investment where they can put forward to develop a skill development program as a fellowship program to support these students to develop their own products based on the technical feasibility in technical things they are studying in the colleges. So we are incubated. We are the company is have a collection connection with the Indian Council of Agriculture and Research and the CIFT coaching as the segment we work. So we work with multiple companies like Allianz, Tata Motors, Adani, multiple companies working with multiple projects. So this is our portfolio where we looking forward to support such students these aspects. So this is an additional company as called Zara Product School, working on this carbon, this algae technology. And this product school is specifically for the educational platform, and it support any life science students, even the students who are interested to do some innovations in the biotechnology specifically, we support them. Yeah. So this is our portfolio. So there is a even if you consider in your college as well, there are a lot of final year projects your seniors students are doing. And why these projects are doesn't come to the market? So this is an impact point where the lack of economic and social feasibility is the issue. So while developing a product, there will be an idea, there will be formulation, processing, commercialization, that means packaging and launching the product. So there will be four stages of product development. Initial one is the idea. So ideation is just like analyzing the market requirement. Is there any problem, even for example adulteration of food? So how we can solve such problems, increasing the shelf life and reducing the using of the preservatives? Multiple ways. Even 2 months back, approximately 93 tons of chili is rejected from China due to the one of the neurotoxic chemical contamination in the food. So how we can solve? So this is this market requirement problems. So based on this market requirement problem, we need to analyze to develop. And second, the formulation based on our target audience, their economic feasibility, their social feasibility. We need to formulate the combination And these all combinations, for example, if you're planning to commercial food product, these all ingredients must be available, not seasonal. So if seasonal, how we can storage? So multiple factors will be there. And even go for the packaging in each government. If we looking forward the Indian government, they have a specific policies, regulations, lot of things are there. So according to the regulation, if you planning to UAE have their own regulations, their own packaging regulations, how to registration in the FSSAI in India as well as the UAE, in Dubai municipalities, multiple things are there. So how we can solve such solution problems to the solution aspects. So it will help you to develop your own product in complete corporate manner where companies are proceeding their R&D. This is like, economic feasibility will be there, social feasibility will be there, test marketing will be there, multiple things will be there. So this is a process of that product development aspects. And this program is actually is a product factory, and it not a certificate course. So it's 60 days of online program and 72 modules, micro modules will be there, and each module will be 4 to 5 minutes. I will give detailed explanation about what the modules and all things. And there will be live mentor session. So these live mentor session will be handled by qualified PhD holders and doctors who are working on the same field in our R&D segment and our company. So they will individually discuss with each candidate's projects, and they will mentor each segment. And it's just like a long term process, long term, because these micro modules is recorded classes. So after seeing the recorded classes, you will be have assignments. So in these assignments, ideation, analyzing the market problem, analyzing the issues in the market, according to the market, how we can make a solution which is feasible to the target audience. So this is the puzzle which sold based on the market requirement, target audience, and it will help these live sessions help you to individual attention. That is a guarantee where we provide. After completion of this course, you will have your own product and 1 year mentorship. So a lot of students who already developed their own products, they started their own companies, and they enter to strong R&D job roles in major MNC companies based on these aspects. So this is create a environment that the based on the market requirement, based on the, even if you're looking for skincare, there are a lot of sunscreens are there, sunscreen creams are there. So how we can come develop something for kids based on their skin profile. So this is the personalized nutrition, same as the personalized skin care and cosmetics. So these are the two different aspects. So like that we can integrate such solution. So this is your mentor, that's me. And I started this company in 2016, and we are operating good revenue and working on multidisciplinary innovations, 4 to 5 companies, so in Middle East as well as in India. So we are started this program specifically for supporting student entrepreneurs as well as the students who doesn't have that market knowledge. As an other than the internship, you will do your own product in the college itself and generate revenue. So this is the aspects of commercialization. So this is the my core field, and my expertise is product development, food and beverages, cosmetics, and specifically algae biotechnology commercialization. So this is the support factor we can develop such things. So there will be two programs. One will be the food and beverages section. So it have the ideation, formulation, processing, scale up. How to scale up a big manufacturing other than the lab scale. A big manufacturing house happening, FSSI, licensing, test marketing, commercial, skincare and cosmetics are another section. So it will have skin science, cosmetic ingredients, how the activity of your skin and different types of skin modules. So this it very detailed we will check, and the students who are pursuing the pharmacy, chemistry, cosmetic science, they can join such programs, or biotechnologists also can interested, they can join us. So this 60 days of program where you can shortlist your idea, validate your idea through live sessions, formulate, build. So these formulation and all things, all you can do from your home and as well as your college. And test marketing, processing, scale, how to use such machines. You can have an internship, online internship as well from our company, to analyze the market requirement, market analysis. And you need to think to you position your project as a market fit, and test marketing possibilities, how you can be test market, how to get the feedback of the customers, live sessions, and launching of the project. So this is a very compact program, and any time zone you can have this program. If you are busy with your academics as well, evening time you can have these classes. live sessions based on your feasible time. We will arrange the live sessions and we can discuss rest of things. And now I will share you modules in detail. So this is just like total we have 14 chapters. So in the 14 chapters as well, we go for the breakup, very short modules like 6 minutes, 5 minutes videos. So what is a product development, big picture, the four key stages of product development, your career path, startup ecosystem versus R&D career, what is the difference? So in details, all we can discuss market cap, consumer trends, how to develop a product, the stage and gate system. That's a famous theory in the product development. And ideation, that means how we can generate an idea, products ideation, generating and filtration of idea, market research, USP, that unique selling proposition of your project. That is a difference factor from your project from the other products in the market. So analyzing the competitors nature also will help you to develop such products. So for example, if you're planning to develop such products to upgrade your specification, it will help you in such cases. And formulation, it will have 6 modules and it all have assignments. So so each week have the live sessions. It will help you to develop such products and processing. Even if you for the formulation, advanced formulations will be there, innovative materials, novel ingredients, even processing. It will scaling up from batch to batch, like a pilot, to how you can move from 100 grams to 100 kg. How's the heat transfer? Lot of technical aspects will be there. So these are all things we will discuss. And commercialization, branding, brand identity, pricing strategy, how to, based on your target audience, we need to place the pricing and all things. All of team members, how you can select your team members and all things we will discuss. And challenges of product development we will discuss. Timeline of new product development scope we discuss. Test marketing we will discuss. When we should conduct test marketing, certifications, regulations, plan design layouts. So how you can, even after completion of the project, you want to manufacture your own thing, so how you need to develop such manufacturing plans we will discuss. Packaging, storage we will discuss. So these all things we will discuss in detail, and launch such projects in the market. So this is the aspects of product development mainly. So if you see the real students who launch their projects, this is some examples I just share with you. So these are the students who are doing their pursuing their degree or post graduation or graduation and develop such products to the market. Their branding, so it will help you understand to the consumer, understanding to the market viability, market gap, and develop such products. So after future they can do their own startup ecosystem, or they can have an experience to the market aspect. So for example, a good R&D career. So few people are developed dry creams, hairspray, cookies, food products, cosmetics. So based on the market requirement only, they develop such products. So that help you to analyze, even for example, diabetic free salt they develop. So lot of things the students are developing, and it will help you to assist as such great ecosystem on these aspects. So this is the impact of the product development. And coming to the course fees sorting, so explorer, so you want to start something as a free, you can do that. A few videos and all things are 4 modules are will be free, and one case study is free. And you can access the community as a free of cost. And if you're looking really, you are really career oriented, that means you want to develop such products, you can have a practitioner course. So it will be at approximately 9,099. So it all have 72 micro modules, assignments, quizzes, feedbacks, 8 live sessions. So this is the way completion of certifications. Along with, we will guarantee like that after completion of the course, you will have your own product. So that's a money back guarantee. That is a guarantee we will provide. If someone is joining this program, end of the day, you will have your own product. And founder tire is another program where it has a hands-on program where you can directly come to our lab facility situated in Kochi, in Kerala, and you can in 2 months in offline session you can have real manufacturing, real segments and all. So this is the way this program is developed, and this is the way you can have the discussion about the real product development and all things. So this is the circular economy model what we work. So we support, we already manufacturing such projects and very innovative products we manufacture in commercial viable aspects. And you will get, we will guarantee like that our mentorship and our team will assist you to such innovation projects and based on the market requirement. So if you see this circular economy model, so this is our projects and our company is doing. offsetting carbon dioxide and all things using Obelia, one of our architecture projects, and manufacturing based on this biomass, utilized the quality checks and utilized for the protein cookies or feeds. So this is the way of innovation aspect. So today innovation is actually multidisciplinary innovation. You want to develop something, you need to connect with the multiple branches, multiple people, and so this is the impact of product development. And we are introducing and welcoming everyone to this program. And it is actually a fellowship program, assist you to develop your own product in your college days, in your own idea with your own brand. And this every IP, everything held by you. We are just mentoring you, we are just supporting, mentoring, and train you to develop such projects. Even if your college projects also, even with economic feasibility and social feasibility, along with this, if these projects are coming under the food and beverages sector, or even in the cosmetics and skincare sector, we will support to develop such projects in detail. Yeah. So I welcome everyone to join this program and create a great startup as well as R&D oriented ecosystem. Biotechnology is not limited to micro, molecular extractions in the lab scale. It is very vast and it has a huge opportunity in the FMCG industry as well as food industry, cosmetic industry, agri industry, pharma industry, multiple aspects other than molecular level. We need to manufacture, we need to utilize that potential and enhance the scope of work into the massive level. I'm welcoming everyone to this program, and you can access the free courses as a free, and you will you check the quality of the classes, the discussions, what is going on, the groups. And if you are interested only, you can join the program. Okay, I am signing off, and thanks for the watching the introduction program about Zara Product School Fellowship Program. Thank you.